Curious about what content writing is? This video is your expert roadmap to understanding it. Hello and welcome my fellow learners. I am your instructor from MAK Blogs and today we are exploring what is content writing. In this lecture, we will explore what content writing is and how it's a game changer in the digital world. Before we continue, you can access the MAK Blogs SEO Content Writing full course playlist by clicking the link in the description box or using the I option above. Let's start by breaking down the concept of SEO content writing. SEO, Search Engine Optimization. SEO is all about making your online content more discoverable. It's like placing signposts on the digital highway to guide visitors to your site. Now, imagine blending the art of content writing with SEO. SEO content writing. SEO content writing is the skill of crafting content that not only informs, engages, and resonates with your audience but is also optimized to rank higher on search engines like Google. Let's illustrate this with some example. Example 1. Think of a blog post that not only shares delicious cupcake recipes but also uses the right keywords to appear when someone searches for best cupcake recipes. Example 2. Picture a product description that not only describes a sleek smartphone but also uses SEO techniques to show up when someone looks for latest smartphone deals. Comparison for more clarity. It's like being in a library. You write a fantastic book. It's your content, but you also make sure it's on the right shelf. This is optimization for search, so people can find it easily. Here are some key elements of SEO content writing to keep in mind. First, we have keyword research. This is the foundation of SEO content writing. It involves identifying the right keywords your target audience is searching for. Quality content. Content is king. Your content must be high quality, relevant, and engaging. On-page SEO. This includes optimizing titles, meta descriptions, headings, and URL structures for search engines. Now we have user experience. A seamless user experience on your website is vital for both readers and search engines. Mobile optimization. With the growth of mobile users, ensuring your content is mobile friendly is imperative. In conclusion, SEO content writing combines the art of engaging storytelling with the science of search engine optimization. It's about crafting content that resonates with your audience and performs brilliantly online. In our upcoming lessons, we will explore SEO content writing further. Get ready to learn about keyword research, on-page optimization, and creating content that both ranks and connects with your audience. To get the most out of this course, remember to subscribe for updates, give the video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, join the conversation by leaving comment and asking questions, and actively take part in your learning journey. Thank you for joining Lecture 5. SEO content writing is your key to online visibility. If you are looking for exceptional digital services like SEO content writing, do not hesitate to visit our website or reach out to us. We are here to support your journey into the digital world. Prepare for our upcoming lessons where we will reveal the secrets to SEO success in greater detail. Thank you.